What up guys, it's Pot making extra and practically for all this month we're doing Twilight Princess video games. You should stick around because in the end, only 2 of them are making it to my collection. Only 2 of the drawings, and I'm going to be doing one almost every day. It's only going to be 3 days this month, and also you'll be seeing next month's releases. So let's go draw both Link and Midna. Okay, so that's what a basic sketch looks like, and I think I'll just show you the coloring and time lapse, but I think I'm going to try and like fill in with this like background as like kind of like when you're fighting the shadow enemies with like all the black dots and all the barriers and around all of it. So yeah. And this is what the finished thing looks like, and now what to do is just
carry on.
And this, and with the 4 at the end of it, we finished.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.